Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Siddheshwara Gajula. This is first video in our auto layout series. If you are completely beginner, you don't know about Figma, you can watch my video about introduction to Figma. You can find link in the description. So what you will learn in this video, what is auto layout and what are the benefits and what are the all auto layout property. What is auto layout? Auto layout is a property you can add to frames and components. It allows you to create designs that can expand or contract as needed and adjust to changes in their content. This is particularly useful when you need to add new elements, accommodate longer text, or maintain consistency in your designs. What are the benefits using auto layout? Firstly, auto layout allows design elements to be flexible and adapt to the content. That means if you have a longer or shorter text, the elements will stay organized without the need of manual adjustments. Amazing, right? Using auto layout can help speed up your design process. You won't need to make manual changes to the layout every time if there is a changes of content, which saves a lot of time. Another great benefits of auto layout is that it reduces the risk of a human error in the design layout. The layout is automatically adjusted, so there is less room for mistakes. Plus, with auto layout, it's easy to create components that are uniform and consistent in design. Think of a list of items of the same size or buttons with a similar margin. All design with auto layout is very helpful. Lastly, auto layout is especially useful in responsive design, where elements have to change according to different screen sizes. It's a great way to optimize designs for all devices. Now you know what is auto layout and what are the all benefits. How to apply auto layout? We can apply auto layout for one element or multiple elements. Select element. Here I am selecting submit now text and press Shift A. Now you can see auto layout options in the right panel. And also we can apply auto layout for multiple elements. Here I am selecting two circles. In right panel you can see auto layout option. By clicking on the plus icon, we can add auto layout to the two circles. Let's see what are the all properties auto layout has. Auto layout menu. First we will see what are the options we have in auto layout menu. First, directions. We can set auto layout direction as a vertical or horizontal or wrap. Spacing. Here we can set space between elements in auto layout. Horizontal padding. Here we can set left and right padding. Vertical padding. Here we can set top and bottom padding. Alignments. Alignment is a useful option to manage the positioning and resizing of a child elements within an auto layout frame and scaled within that frame. These three dots will have advanced setting. Individual padding. If we click on this icon, we can set up padding for each side individually. To remove auto layout, we can click on the minus icon. Now let's see how directions work. Here I have two circles. First, let's apply auto layout. For that, I am selecting two circles and press Shift A. Now auto layout applied. In direction, we have three options: horizontal, vertical, and wrap. By default, direction set to the horizontal. If you click on vertical, then circles will arrange in vertical order. Wrap is useful when we have more elements. This will cover in coming videos. Alignments. Here I have three elements. Let's select these three elements and apply auto layout. Once auto layout applied, you can see a 9-point grid in auto layout section in right panel. One of these points will have a blue icon of 3 bars. Each point represents a different form of alignment. Let's see how this alignment works. By default, alignment set to top left. To understand better, let me increase auto layout frame size. If you click on align top center, all elements will align to top center. If you click on align top right, all elements will align to top right. If you click on align left, all elements will align to left. If you click on align center, all elements will align to center. If you click on align right, all elements will align to right. If you click on align bottom left, all elements will align to bottom left. The same way, if you click on the align bottom center, all elements will align to the bottom center. If you click on align bottom right, all elements will align to bottom right. Next, vertical gap between items. Here we can set how much space we want between elements. It could be vertically or horizontally. This is based on which direction you set to auto layout. For example, if your direction is horizontal, the gap going to be horizontal. If auto layout is direction set to vertical, the gap going to be vertical. If we have chosen horizontal layout, then we will see horizontal gap between items. Next, padding. In auto layout, padding refers to the adjustable space between the edge of a frame and the elements inside it. You can set same padding for all 4 sides, or different for top and bottom, or create unique values for each side, left, right, top, bottom. By default, we have left and right and top and bottom. If you set left and right padding to 50, now you can see how padding applied for left and right. Let me add some strokes so that you will see clear difference. Now I am setting left and right padding 50 pixel. You can see how left and right space increased. Like this we can set for top and bottom. Here I am setting 50 pixel for top and bottom. If you click on individual padding icon, now you can see we have 4 sides padding enabled. We can give different values for each side. Resizing. In auto layout, we can set resizing options in 2 levels. One is for frame level and second one is for elements inside the auto layout. Select auto layout and in the right panel, frame section, you can see the resizing options. By default, horizontal and vertical resizing set to hug. Now, if we resize a frame, it will change to fixed width and fixed height. You can see space right and bottom side. If I change fixed to hug, now the extra space will remove and frame width change to the width inside the element. Now let's say if we want to change elements width based on the auto layout frame width when we change auto layout frame size.
Now let's say if we want to change elements width based on auto layout frame width when we change auto layout frame size. For that we need to apply resizing options to inside elements. Now I am selecting yellow rectangle and change to fill content. Like that I am selecting button and change hug to fill container. Now if I resize auto layout frame, you can see how rectangle and button width are changing based on parent frame width stacking. Alright, so here I have 3 elements. Let's see how stacking can apply for these. First, let's select these 3 elements and apply auto layout. Now if I select third element and press left arrow, the third layer will move to the left side. Like this, we can change elements place in auto layout. Now I change space between items to -30. You can see how the last elements on top. If we click on 3 dots, we can see more options. Here, if we change canvas stacking to fit on top, first elements come to the top. Align text baseline. Here I have an auto layout frame with the text and square shape. Now text is aligning middle to the square shape. To align text baseline, we need to click on the 3 dots again and enable text baseline. Now you can see how text aligned to the bottom. Absolute position. Absolute position within auto layout gives you the flexibility to arrange elements exactly where you want them. Now let's say I want to position this icon in top right corner of the yellow shape regardless of the auto layout settings. But if I drag icon into the frame, it will place based on auto layout settings. Here, absolute position comes in picture. In the right panel, click on the absolute position icon. Now we can place this icon anywhere within this auto layout frame. I am placing top right corner of the yellow rectangle. Now you know what is auto layout and what are the all properties within auto layout. In next video, I will show you how to use auto layout in UI design. Until then, take care. Bye.